how to set the digital well-being notifications to silent or allowed sound and vibration on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on digital well-being and parental controls. Now in here, tap on the more button, then tap on settings. Next, tap on notifications, and in here go down to the alerts section, and from here you can choose between silent or allowed sound and vibration. So select one of the options and then tap on the back key to go back to your settings menu, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.